Okay, we'll start solving another problem for discrete signal. Let us find out uh, whether the signal x of n, it is a discrete signal. Earlier we have done for continuous signals. Let us find out whether the signal x of n is a periodic signal or not. Okay, now cos of this term is again equal to like omega n. Earlier we was doing it omega t. Now omega n is 2 pi, n is also here, missing it is 2 pi by 5 into n. Okay, n you cancel. Next it will be 2 pi, omega is 2 pi f is equal to 2 pi by 5. Since it is a first signal frequency f1 at right, now f1 is equal to, or you can cancel here also 2 pi you can cancel, no problem. f1 equal to 1 by 5, and we know the relation between frequency and time, f1 equal to 1 by t1. As 1 by t1 is equal to 1 by 5, then this t1 will be 5. Okay, everybody knows this, taking reciprocal. This is about a first term. Coming to second term, again omega n is equal to, this is as good as omega n completely. Omega n is equal to 2 pi by 7n. So this n and this n get cancelled. Omega is nothing but 2 pi f. It is the second part of the signal, so f2 is equal to 2 pi by 7. 2 pi you can cancel here, it is easy. So f2 is equal to 1 by 7, and we know the relation between frequency and time. Therefore we can write f2 equal to 1 by t2. So 1 by t2 is 1 by 7. Therefore t2 is equal to 7. Now we have to take a ratio of t1 and t2. So t1 and t2 will be, t1 is 5, t2 is 7. So it is p by q. 5 is a full number, integer number, and 7 is also an integer number. Therefore integer by integer means it is called as a rational number. If it is a ratio is rational number, then it is a periodic signal. If it is a periodic signal, we have to find out fundamental frequency of the, fundamental period of the signal. Fundamental period is equal to LCM of T1 and T2. It is LCM of T1 and T2. So LCM of T1 means 5 and T2 means 7. So LCM of T1 and T2 will be 35. That is fundamental period is 35. Okay, that is fundamental period of the signal is 35. If somebody asked in some examination fundamental frequency, then fundamental frequency will be reciprocal of this. It is not asked, but if it is asked in the examination, fundamental frequency equal to this 1 by fundamental period, that is 1 by 35, that will be fundamental frequency. That is not asked still, but it can be asked also. This is one problem which is solved for discrete signals. Okay, let us take another problem for discrete signals. X of n equal to cos of n by 8 into cos of n pi by 8. This is given. Okay. Next we'll have to find out whether this signal is periodic or not. Now this is as good as omega n. Omega n equal to n by 8. This is given. So n you can cancel. Omega n is nothing but 2 pi f. Is the first component of the frequency f1. This is equal to 1 by 8. So then f1 equal to 1 by 16 pi. If you take 2 pi in the denominator, it will be 16 pi. And we know relation between frequency and time. This is equal to t1. So now T1 is equal to 1 by T1 equal to 1 by 16 pi. Therefore T1 equal to 16 pi. T1 is 16 pi. Similarly, coming to the second part of the problem, here this is entirely taken as omega n. Therefore omega n equal to n pi by 8. Now n you can cancel, pi will be here. So omega is 2 pi f, it is the second frequency component, f2, pi by 8. Now this pi and this pi you can cancel, and f2 is equal to 1 by 16. So relation between frequency and time is 1 by T2. Therefore 1 by T2 is equal to 1 by 16, and if you write in terms of T2 will be 16. Now if you take the ratio of T1 by T2, it is like this: T1 divided by T2. So here most of the time they use capital N in place of capital T1. So here T1 I have used. No problem, you can use capital N also. If anybody is confusing, then you can write T1 also, no problem. Or else you can write capital N1 and this as capital N2. And here they take the ratio of N1 by N2. Capital N's you have to write. So N1 is a 16 pi and N2 is a 16. 16 you can cancel, pi by 1. So pi is not an integer number, even though 1 is integer number, it is not integer by integer, therefore it is not rational number. Hence it is a non-periodic signal. Like this we should solve the problem. Okay, we'll stop it here. Thank you.